Okay. Freeform input. What if you don't remember Mathematica language? You do a header here. Well, in Mathematica, you could type things in words or type them as you think that they should be using something called freeform input. To show that you're using freeform input, you want to start with the equal sign. It gives you that little square with the equal sign. And then just type something like graph sine of x times y. Let's see what that gives us. Do Shift Enter. And so it's saying it thinks what you want to do is plot a 3D graph of y times sine of x. And it assumes that you want this as x goes from negative 6.6 to 6.6 and y goes from negative 1 to 1. So if this isn't the correct graph, you could either go up here and adjust this to put the x times y in parentheses, or you could click on the Mathematica language. Notice that it says replace the cell with this input, and then you could adjust it so that the y is inside the sign. Just going to put parentheses around the x and the y, and here it gives you the true Mathematica language. So I'm going to click on that. You replace the freeform input. And the nice thing about 3D graphs is you can click on them and drag them to look at them from different directions. It's very handy for calculus when you're looking at saddle points and maximums and minimums. Or reflecting something around an x-axis or a y-axis. Okay, so let's see what else we can enter. Let's try this. Plot sine of x with a thin red dotted line. Press enter. Oops, I forgot the equal sign. It was trying to tell me that too. So I'm going to put an equal sign first, and then let me go to the end and do Shift Enter. There it is. Sine of x with a thin red dotted line. Here's the true Mathematica input for it. And if I clicked it, it would just replace what I have there. How about the US, whoops, forgot the equal sign. US debt per capita. Shift Enter. The U.S. debt per capita is $59,599 per person. Each of these has a plus. If you hit the plus, it's going to open it up to give you a lot more information, including where the data came from. I guess that would be under more. Wow, look at that. Our federal debt per capita changed by 5.3% per year. Anyway, I don't want to really look at that. I'm going to come down here, click at the bottom to create a new cell. Let's see, what is today's weather? Oh, forgot the equal sign. Let's see if it knows where I am. I think for the online version, it does not. Oh, here it doesn't either. So what is equal sign? What is the Houston weather? Looks like it doesn't know what the Houston weather is. Oh. So it was trying to find it, but it couldn't. Latest recorded weather for Houston. 75 degrees Fahrenheit, cloudy, relative humidity, and so forth. Or I could tell it to solve an equation. Solve. Oh, forgot the equal sign again. Equal sign solve. 4y prime plus 2y equals 3x squared minus 5x plus 2. So here when you use freeform input, it assumes that if you have a number after a variable, that's an exponent. Not sure why it didn't solve it. Four y prime plus 2y equals 3x squared minus 5x plus 2. Alternative, here's the solution. And you can get an approximate form or a step-by-step solution. Although this, I think they want to charge money for. Maybe not. Okay, again, I don't know why it didn't give me the solution here, but you could always go in and get the solution.